short word.
Get it, Fergie.
But I've been thinking about what you said. I'm sorry.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Fergie, get it. Get it. Fergie. Fergie's trying to get the ball. Wait a minute. Help Fergie get the ball. Can you help Fergie? Get it, Fergie. Becca, go get the ball. Go help Fergie get the ball. Please. Then I'll show you the picture. Can you get it for Fergie? Thank you. Then I'll show you the movie. Get it for Fergie. Give her the ball. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Fergie. Say, good girl, Fergie. Can you pet her? Can you pet Fergie?
Do.
Good girl. Give her a hug.